Hello mga igsoon, ako day si Kuya Neil. Ana na po tayo gamay nga pulong, nga share kaninyo karong adlaw. Sa Acts 20:35 diri giingon, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Timani igsoon, si Jesus mismo ang nag-ingon, mas bulahan ang maghatag kaysa mudawat. And that line mao nay tinuod nga kasing-kasing sa Kristohanon. Ang paghatag dili lang ni about sa kwarta. It's about sa atong obedience, trust, and love nato sa atong Ginoo. Nakahinumdum ka atong forbidden tree. The tree tested as obedience. Sa Garden of Eden, gitest ni Lord si Adam ug Eve. Simple lang ang question, will you obey me or follow your own desire? The same gihapon karon, every time we choose to obey, we're saying, Lord, ikaw may mas importante kaysa sa akong gusto. Panahon nga na maghatag tag tithes, it shows na atay pagsalig or trust sa Ginoo. When you give your 10%, you're not losing, you're trusting. Ikaw nagaingon nga, Lord, ikaw may provider. Ang kalibutan mo ingon, keep more. But atong pagtuo mo ingon, hatag una. Because you know, God can do more with your 90% than you can with 100. Diripod sa offering, ang offering nato igsuon mag-bring og multiplication. Every liso nga atong itanom para sa Ginoo mutubo gayud na. Dili gayud mawala imong paghatag kay si Lord faithful gyud na mo return in His time, in His way. He multiplies what you release. And generosity reflects God's heart. The Father gave His Son, di ba igsuon? The Son gave His life. The Holy Spirit gives His power. So sila tanan naghatag. So every time muhatag ka, you look like Father in heaven. A generous heart moves with heaven's rhythm. You can't say you love without giving, and you can't outgive a generous God. Na ako'y final challenge sa inyo maigsuon. Don't eat what belongs to God, like the forbidden tree. There's always something that He's protect your obedience. Guard your heart because obedience keeps your blessing safe. Plant seed, even it's small. God sees your heart, not the amount. Be faithful with what you have so God can trust you with more. Live with a giving heart because the more you give, the more He gives you back. Kung mora ka pa igsuon, bye-bye!